Aloha mai kākou, this is Ku'uipo with Download Hawaii, and this is our video that is going to cover huaʻōlelo hou o ka lumi hoʻokipa, so new vocabulary words that are to do with the living room. Okay, so I'm just going to go down this list for pronunciation, and then I'm going to share some useful phrases for the lumi hoʻokipa. Kawaki, clock. Ke kiwi, TV. Ke kiapihi, remote controller. Ke kukui, light. Kanoho, chair. Ka peahiwila, electric fan. Ke pā kaukau, table. Ka pale puka aniani, curtain. Ka puka aniani, window. Ka pūneʻe, couch. Nā lako hale, furniture, household goods. Okay, so here are some useful phrases. Wipe down the furniture. E kā wele I nā lako hale. E kā wele I nā lako hale. Sit at the table. E noho ma ke pā kaukau. E noho ma ke pā kaukau. Open or close the curtain. So first we have open. E wehe I ka pale puka aniani. And then this next one is to close. E pani ka pale puka aniani. So this sentence here, you can obviously switch out these words if you're trying to say open or close something else. So for example, open the fridge. E wehe I ka pahuhau. Okay, so you can switch it out from the ka'i, the ka or ke that goes here, and then whatever the word is. Okay, next one is pass me the remote controller. E ha'awi ke kia pihi ia'u. E ha'awi ke kia pihi ia'u. And then last one, turn on or off the light. Okay, so turn on is e ho'a I ke kukui. Turn off is e ho'opio I ke kukui. So same like this one you can also switch out these words if you're trying to say some other noun there. So if you wanted to say turn off the TV, you would use ho'opio for off. E ho'opio I ke kiwi. Okay?